To remove or replace the column assembly of the PC, first remove the touch mat, the right rear cover, and the left rear cover. Detach the black power supply connector from the motherboard. The connector has a latch that must be squeezed to disconnect the connector. Detach the 4 Torx head screws that secure the column to the rest of the PC, 2 on each side of the column. Pull the column off of the unit. The 4 screw holes on the column align over 4 standoffs on the middle frame of the PC. Before replacing the column, first make sure that the rest of the PC is screen face down on the table, near enough to the edge that the top portion of the column can overhang the edge of the table when it is reinstalled. Place the column back onto the unit, aligning the screw holes over their standoffs. Replace the 4 Torx head screws to secure the column to the PC. Reattach the power supply connector to the motherboard.